case briefs, and so much more. LSData's got what you're looking for.
In 2010, the United States Court of Appeals for the Fourth Circuit heard the case of Doe ex rel. Johnson v. South Carolina Department of Social Services, which centered on the idea that government officials cannot be held legally responsible for violating constitutional rights if the right was not clear to them at the time of the violation. The case was filed by adoptive parents Gregory and Michelle Johnson and their minor child Jane Doe against the South Carolina Department of Social Services, SCDSS, and Adoption Specialist Debbie Thompson. The Johnsons claimed that the defendants violated their constitutional rights and were grossly negligent during the adoption process, which led to the sexual abuse of Jane and her brother by another foster child in the same home. The district court had granted summary judgment in favor of Thompson based on qualified immunity and SCDSS based on discretionary immunity, but the case was ultimately remanded for further proceedings. The court's opinion was centered on whether the defendants violated Jane's substantive due process rights and were grossly negligent in their handling of the adoption process, ultimately affirming part, vacating part, and sending the case back to the district court for further proceedings in line with the court's opinion.
Case briefs, and so much more. LSData's got what you're looking for. Visit lsd.law, elevate your mind. Leave the stress of class.